how many people can fit on a bird scooter? I've always wondered this. Birds are littered all over Los Angeles in the gutters. People throw them. I never really want to get on one because I don't have a reason to. But then I thought, what if all of my boys can get on one scooter at the same exact time? And I'm not talking, you see people kind of riding like this together? You know, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about, I want to build a car and put like 6 or 7 people on it and see if we can have one scooter power everyone and take up an entire lane. So we're gonna turn a bird scooter into a car today, more or less. Then we might strap a couple other bird scooters on, like 2 or 3, and see if we can get more power out of it. What do you guys think?
Let's do it.
Oh!
I tried to do a magnifying glass, but it didn't work out. Yeah.
I tried to do a magnifying glass transition for like an hour, and I gave up on it because it looked bad. And so I wrote a song about it for an hour. And now, let's get back to the video. All right, so we're just going around. We're gonna go to this construction site. Hold on, there was a pallet here. Yeah, there's an old pallet there that we can jack and kind of use for the base. And then we also gotta find a bird scooter. See right here? Bada bing, bada boom. That's a good looking pallet. And now it's ours. We found a bird.
So easy to push.
Oh God. See, that's what they do. When you're stealing one, they make this noise. It's gonna do that the whole way home. Uh-oh. It's not happy. Alright, this is the first test.
Right.
Oh, shoot. Alright, this is kind of sick. Yeah, it feels like you're flying a little bit. You can't really turn great, is the problem. You have to like...
Can't lean it, yeah.
So if we had wheels, it would help, because I could just do it. I could turn it around like this.
Yeah, later, kids.
Okay, I think the hardest part is going to be starting this beast. Oh, it's not turned on yet? Okay, hold on. Yep, we're engaged now.
Ready?
Guys? Yep.
All right, 3,
Go for it, yep.
2, 1.
Oh, God.
Dude.
Oh, hey, it's doing it. Okay, it's kind of slow. It's going to pick up speed. Oh, there we go. We're at 7. We're getting to 8.
You gonna turn it?
Yep, I'm going to turn. Hey, it's going. Yep, it's definitely going. Okay, so its acceleration is bad, but it can maintain serious speeds. Yo, hold it way out. Hold it way up and out, like show the ground. You know what I'm saying? Like, like, there we go. Oh, we're chilling at 10 miles an hour now, boys.
10.2.
Oh, we're going.
Oh. It doesn't make any sense that there's no wheels under us. It's just a platform, and we just extended the bird scooter.
All right, now let's see how much faster it goes when you guys jump off.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow.
That almost ate shiz.
We're doing 3 no pallet to see how much better the pallet is. Okay, yep, we're
Follow
going.
air.
Yep, we're going.
No way, you took out too much room in the bag.
Okay,
We're on Dane.
You see people kind of riding like this together? No, I'm not talking about that.
okay, this for sure isn't ever gonna happen again, and it's the worst. And somehow it's slower. Right now we're only
Really?
going 6 miles an hour.
Wow.
So the pallet, for many reasons, is much better than this, and this is the max that you can fit on one bird scooter. All right, the plan is we're gonna get a bird here, a bird there, because we don't want any extra wheels on the ground. We want it to be all bird powered, because it'll cause a lot of drag and make it a lot slower. So we're gonna do bird, bird, frame it out like this, straight back here, put a couch on the back, and the front 2 turn. All right, so we got this futon, and this is what's gonna be. This is hilarious, dude. Leif showed up. It'll be suspended. You know, just make it kind of safe. Get rid of the hazards. Nothing but the bare minimum for this build. 1 cut, and we're screwing her there, and that's all she's getting. What do you think?
Yeah. Looks pretty legit.
Get a clean look here in the shade. Are you gassing? Oh, this is gonna be crazy. All right, so there's still gonna be a little element of balance here. Do you want to run with your feet like that? Because this wood is kind of sketch. Just step on it. You should probably be sitting.
Yeah, I don't want to
You
step.
start sitting. Me and Leif will do it, and then you and Dane will sit in the middle.
Oh, just in the middle now.
So we start here.
And then we'll gas it.
Yeah. Okay, you boys ready? Let's hit the town. Oh my gosh, dude! Look at this thing. This thing is ridiculous. All right, ready? We got to just make sure we're steering at the same direction, you know? All right, hold up.
You call the
All right.
steer.
Okay, I will. All right, I'm good to
Gas
gas.
a little.
Are you good?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Okay. Yeah, we're on. We're on. Oh, we're on, dude. Oh, we're going. Oh, we're going. We're already at 9 miles an hour, so you know we're gonna be going faster than the original. Yeah, I'm already cruising.
All right, we got it.
All right, making a right. Yeah, we're good. Slight, just very slight, ever so slight. Oh yeah.
Oh, we're thriving.
Oh, we're thriving,
These people.
dude. Yes, it's going. It's going. We're going 15. We're going 15. Oh, look at them. Yeah. On the street, boys.
Street legal.
Let's go! Hey, we're gonna cruise to the right lane around this car. Angle to the left. Angle to the left a little bit, Leif. There you go.
We going through the stop
Go-
line?
go through it.
Go through it.
We're good.
Yeah,
We're
go
good.
through it. Oh, we're chilling, boys! All right, we're gonna definitely stop at this stoplight. Let's get the left lane.
Left lane.
Left lane. Left lane. And we're gonna make the left here, okay? All right, brakes on your side, Leif. Brake, hard brake. Good.
You good?
You're gonna have to push
Yeah,
it.
we'll have to push it. Gas now, Leif.
Gas.
Gas. We're gonna
Just
go
go
up and
slow.
around. Yep, up and around. Make a left, hard left now.
And go.
Hard left. Oh, we got her, boys! Thank you.
Gotta get off.
I've made a flying couch, and when they see it, they go. It's made from bird scooters, and the occasional one. I have no choice. I've made a flying couch, and when they see it, they go out. It's made of bird scooters, and the occasional one. I have no choice. I made a flying couch, and when they see it, they go out. It's made from bird scooters, and the occasional one. I have no choice. I don't wanna.
Oh yeah.
There's something nice about getting recognition for something totally stupid. Yeah. Thank you. To be honest, this was very comfortable too.
Yeah.
Like, it was a lot more comfortable than I had expected.
So we should turn around before.
And I mean, the reactions are just priceless. I can't believe it worked though. Like, really. As jiggy as it is. I like when things work.
We're going 9.
Huh?
We're going 9 miles an hour.
Yeah, we were going 17 with both birds. Yeah, the lime for whatever reason is just, it's not the one. I think we're rubbing too. People are passing by us doing one of two things. Thumbs up, blasting music, going, yeah, that's sick. Yeah! Or they're just like, and pass by us because they're just pissed. And I get both sides.
How many scooters have we used so far?
I think 5. And the first 2 were the best. The first 2, we hit 17 miles an hour. We were cruising. We just got lucky with the first 2. And then we had issues with going out of the boundaries with some. the one line was slower and then died after it said it had 3 batteries. And then the first one that we've had, this one, has been the sickest. It's really a crapshoot. You have to like go out and like test ride a bunch and find the good ones.
I'm slowly gaining you. Actually, no, we're together now.
We're pulling away.
Oh,
We're
you're
pulling
slowly
away!
pulling away!
We're pulling away! Dude, this thing quick, boy!
Ow!
Hit the brakes. This one's a crazy road.
Yeah.
Do you guys want to go for a ride?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. We need to see if we can fit 6 people.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 people. 2 birds, 1 futon. Let's go!
How long did it take you guys?
30 minutes.
30 minutes or so.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's kind of nice. All right, we're out here just doing a late night spin on the couch. It's been a good day, and right now,
We're running a stop sign.
I would say we've gone, what do you think, 15 miles today, guys?
Yeah, maybe.
Good ride, boys. Guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe and like if you want to see more content on this channel. Tune in every week because I'm going to be doing some more zany, weird things. Some more updates on the gumball machine, what else do we do? Gas spikes. It's been a crazy couple weeks. So, anyways, make sure to stay and then follow me on Instagram. All right, guys, that's it. I'll see you next week. Have you turned into this screamo artist?